Hey, welcome to our short little webinar on onboarding and training within Hoylu. Today we have Ashley Siao with us. She is our customer experience representative, and I am Porscha O'Neill, and I am the customer experience and marketing manager. And we are going to give you a behind the scenes look at how we onboard remotely at Hoylu, and also some tips and tricks that we have learned and showed some of our largest customers for how to use Hoylu themselves. So if you are not familiar with Hoylu, we are an online whiteboarding tool for teams of all sizes. Our workspaces are over 55,000 pages, so lots of room to interact with your team and use tools and features that are familiar to you and your team. So we have basic whiteboarding tools such as markers, and then we also have these super useful sticky notes that you can show connection and dependencies. So this is more of a very flexible, open workspace as a whiteboard that we have designed and laid out to be a remote planning workspace. But we also have some in-depth planning tools for pull planning, supporting lean methodologies, and we also have PI planning for supporting agile methodologies. Those planning tools offer the flexibility of workspaces and being able to have remote participants, but then again, still using your specific planning and work tools that your team is familiar with. So let's get started. As we've seen, our users have really experienced a big challenge when it comes to remote training, remote onboarding. When their new hires are coming in, they are really struggling with kind of the either one-to-one or even the Zoom calls and sharing the screen and death by PowerPoint. So they've approached us and asked us to help them kind of revamp their programs and make it more interactive. So we're going to give you a little taste of what we've instituted here at Hoylu for our remote onboarding. And funny, you should have us. Ashley Siao is actually our newest employee at Hoylu, so she was kind of our guinea pig. And it's been interesting, and we definitely love the level of interaction and team building that it's brought us. So join us, and we're excited to have you here. Before we start, I would love to give you some stats that we have learned about the importance of onboarding that really brought the need and the use case for this at the top of our priority list. So according to BCG, onboarding is among the most influential factor when it comes to the employee experience. Companies that have effective onboarding processes in place actually achieved 2.5 times more revenue growth and 1.9 times the profit margin than companies and organizations with poor onboarding strategies. Employees with proper support during onboarding are 54% more productive as new hires. I definitely can attest to companies that really sat down and take the time to train you. You feel more ready to start work versus kind of your companies that are very open-ended and not very structured with onboarding, at least from my personal experience. So obviously with remote work being more and more common and distributed teams being something that we've kind of have been forced to adapt to, this is a huge challenge for organizations that are used to brick and mortar, everyone kind of joining in for on-site team building activities and onboarding. I know some companies that I have worked for in the past have flown every single person and have rolling kind of admission dates where you have to fall into this class where they'll have you fly out for 4 days and everybody kind of joins each other and they do tons of team building. And that's kind of where they're able to dig in on company culture, branding guidelines, and they're actually able to train you a little bit. So that obviously in the world of COVID is not something that is able to be done right now. So we definitely love the fact that companies are trying to use Hoylu, and they're even trying to adapt to a more remote world. So as we come through, as always, we always recommend laying out a workspace with an agenda in Hoylu. Give your team an idea of what to expect. Build in breaks. Those are very, very important. They give your team the ability to know that they can stretch that, need to use the restroom for another 10 minutes because they're getting ready to have a break. As we created a workspace with the team, we have seen that they really have a lot of their PowerPoints already ready to go. And really, they just need a little help to make it interactive. So some things at Hoylu that we do kind of as a joke, but also to enjoy ourselves is everyone has their Hogwarts house as a little symbol next to their name in our communication tools that we use, so Slack. And then if we ever do any team items, it's mainly because we'll try to do it by team. So I am a Hufflepuff and proud. So we'll have everybody kind of take a Hogwarts house test before they start. And Ashley Slytherin, and I'm a Hufflepuff, so kind of at the end of the spectrums, but we still seem to be pretty close when it comes to our team building activities. Have really given us the ability to get to know each other, so we're excited. Another thing we love to do is kind of building a map of where everyone is. So Ashley is based in Orlando with me, but we have teammates that are from all over the world. We embrace distributed teams at Hoylu, and that's one of the things that makes our software so easy to use, is that we put it to work every day here with us. So we understand the pain points and we want to solve them. So some of the group activities that we do are obviously in the map, dropping your location. We also love to do a scrapbook activity. This allows us to kind of keep a page, and it gives us the ability to introduce ourselves. We love to do this at the beginning of the day, so we all kind of have some basics and we can learn a little bit more about each other and their backgrounds. So some things that we like to drop in are 3 to 5 images of emojis drawing something to describe yourself. What hobbies, what is your favorite food, share a picture of your family, travel, and what is your favorite movies. As we advance, we always like to kind of start and regroup with our team by doing an interactive activity. It kind of reinvigorates the team spirit. So from here, let's share a meme that describes our work from home feelings. Tommy boy looking crazy seems to fit my personality quite well. I definitely miss my work from home days where I don't have to put on any makeup. We do a lot of Zoom calls now, so that's almost every day. But as you can see, it kind of gives you the ability to get to know your coworkers a little. Obviously, Ashley prefers not wearing pants. But from here, then we would move into something a little bit more serious. So here we have our Hoylu company culture, where we would run through just a typical PowerPoint. And from here, we can kind of notate and annotate key items and bring in some additional pieces. And then also, if I have other people on the team, and maybe there's little pieces that I forgot of the PowerPoint or things that we need to add later on, this is a great way to bring in notes and leave little notes for ourselves. So add Hogwarts. So will come through here. Obviously, again, it's just your basic PowerPoint, and it gives you the ability to move through it just as you would a PowerPoint presentation. And then we have another one here for branding. That's something we usually go through first thing in the morning. A Dropbox and a drop area for questions and feedback is really helpful to have. It limits interruptions, and it really gives your team the ability to have a free space to where they can either interact with each other, or we can absolutely gather feedback, and maybe something needs to be done a little bit differently in the future. So and outlining that it's okay to add your questions as we're going into this space is certainly a great idea. And again, at the top, we have a little interaction prompt. And this is something that we recommend laying out before you start your presentation, and letting people know that those should be interactive, and please feel free to participate. We'll kind of review what software we use, what you need to download. From here, we even can go into training if we want to show you some of our products. So some of you know we have our Hoylu wall. So here we have our white papers, and these will lead out to links for supporting resources. This one will show videos and another document for our tech specs. These links can be Google Drives, Dropbox, or they can actually be other workspaces too. So if you have other workspaces already laid out, this is a great place to kind of have a dashboard of your own that's meaningful to your remote team, and give them the ability to join in from there. As we've seen from our conversations with other teams and our research, is really having an onboard success plan that encaptures the spirit of teamwork is really important. Giving people the ability to have a connection with someone. So goal setting and expectations, let people know what to expect, not only during this meeting, but for the next 2 weeks, 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. Set up meetings, add them to the invites, let them know what a typical work week schedule looks like when it comes to the meetings that they're required to attend. So give them the ability to meet with their one-on-one manager as much as they should. We also recommend a remote buddy. This has been something that is really helpful. Usually this shouldn't be someone senior, but someone that is on the same level as them. And just let them get to know each other, encourage them to connect once a week, and really let that person be who answers those basic questions or helps them navigate some team dynamics that may be not as explicit and more of an implicit team dynamic, like someone usually turns their status to do not disturb, and please don't disturb them in the evenings, whereas someone else may be more open to responding if you need to have an emergency. This also helps to break down silos. Offering resources ahead of time is obviously always key. Giving them a contact in HR that's going to answer all of their questions. Giving them access to an internal database and knowledge base is also helpful. One thing we like to do at Hoylu too is have teams kind of do a research project in their initial onboarding experience. So we love when our new hires write blogs for us. If they're a good writer, it's something they'll be tagged to do again. Or even just a simple research project of presenting something in a meeting. We love that most of our employees have really great presentation skills. So that's always a fun one. Or maybe it's something that doesn't even apply to Hoylu. Have them teach us a little micro training on something that interests them. Have have them make us our favorite cocktail one day during a Zoom call. Really anything that's going to create the team atmosphere, since you're not in person and you're not able to kind of do those team building activities that you've depended on for all these years. We also love Jackbox Games. We'll get together as a company. We try to do this pretty regularly and play together, but especially during onboarding, if we don't have a full team of 8, we'll invite in those remote buddies, and we love to actually bring in our CEOs and our like higher level managers to interact with our new hires during this time as well. It really helps break down those kind of glass ceilings and the ability to not feel like you ever got one-on-one time. And it's really a fun game. Some of them are not safe for work, so make sure you know what you're clicking, but it's definitely a great time to play trivia and get on a Zoom call and spend some time, dig out some time to get to know your new hires. So Ashley, if you want to finish this out.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested, make sure email any one of us or hello@hoylu.com for any demos, webinars, anything else we can help you out with questions, and sign up, test it out, see for yourself how much fun it actually is to go in there and utilize the software, because I love it already.
Well, thanks for joining us. We are very excited that you were able to watch our video today. And as Ashley said, feel free to reach out. We love to do custom use cases and kind of dig through how you want to use Hoylu and help you design a workspace that's going to work for you and your team to make this new remote work life really a reality and something that is going to be a successful piece for your team going forward. So thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.